is Rina, and I'm a physiotherapist by profession. I welcome you to this webinar, which is titled A Therapist's Guide to Groin Pain. What we're going to learn about in brief but in great depth about different reasons, causes, effects, and rehabilitation of groin pain. So without further ado, let's get started. So simple objectives of this webinar really, that a candidate will be able to list 3 systemic reasons and differential diagnoses of groin pain, 3 musculoskeletal reasons for groin pain, and 3 neurological reasons for groin pain. There's a reason why I haven't mentioned the rehabilitation techniques, and that's because I believe that every therapist has their own method and practice and preference towards rehabilitation. However, we are going to touch upon some evidence-based rehab techniques and outcomes. So I hope this course will give us a multifaceted look towards the origin of groin pain. Most often than not, being MSK therapists, we look towards trauma or the mechanism of injury per se. But in this course, we're going to look slightly beyond that, and we're going to look at what other systemic reasons can there be that contributes or that elicits groin pain. As a result of which, we are going to look into some medical issues as well, and that'll help us draw a line in a way if this is truly a physiotherapy related diagnosis, and can we actually provide treatment, or is it something that a medical personnel like a doctor or a GP should look at. So as we spoke